welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to make a paper aeroplane. This is very easy. You just need some spare A4 size paper. First, you will need to fold your piece of paper in half. Then you open your piece of paper and fold two edges equal to the middle line. Then you will have to fold the edge like this. And then move it backwards and then refold it to make sure that it's equal. Then you fold two edges all the way to this part. Then this edge sticking out, you have to use it to lock these two edges together. Then you hold this part and then fold it like this. And then make this part all the way here, and then flip your plane over, and then do the same to the other side, and then press it, and then open it up, and there you go, your paper airplane. Let's fly. It's ready. And outside, let's fly. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, type them down below. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. Bye.